Hola travelers, welcome back to our channel where we explore the world without breaking the bank. Today we're taking you to the vibrant city of Madrid, Spain, number 28 on our list of the top 100 most popular travel destinations for 2024. In this video, I'll guide you through a budget-friendly 5-day itinerary, covering everything from must-see spots to hidden local gems, as well as essential travel tips. Let's dive in. Madrid, the capital of Spain, is a city rich in history and culture. Founded in the 9th century, it became the capital in the 16th century under King Philip II. Today, it's known for its royal palaces, bustling plazas, and world-class art museums. Day 1. Exploring the heart of Madrid. Start your journey at Puerta del Sol, the bustling central square of Madrid. From there, take a short walk to Plaza Mayor, where you can soak in the historic architecture and vibrant atmosphere. Don't miss the Mercado de San Miguel for some delicious and affordable tapas. Day 2. Art and culture. Day 2 is all about art and culture. Visit the Prado Museum to see masterpieces by Goya and Velázquez. Then head to the Reina Sofia Museum, home to Picasso's famous Guernica. End your day with a relaxing stroll in Retiro Park. Day 3. Royal Madrid. Discover Royal Madrid on Day 3. Start with a tour of the Royal Palace, one of the largest palaces in Europe. Next, visit the Almudena Cathedral. Finish your day at the Temple of Debod, an ancient Egyptian temple offering stunning sunset views. Day 4. Day trip to Toledo. Take a day trip to the medieval city of Toledo, just a short train ride from Madrid. Explore its narrow streets, visit the Toledo Cathedral, and enjoy panoramic views from the Alcazar. Day 5. Local experiences. Spend your final day experiencing local life. Visit El Rastro, Madrid's famous flea market, in the morning. Explore the La Latina neighborhood in the afternoon, and wrap up your trip with a traditional flamenco show in the evening. Trip cost breakdown. Let's break down the expected costs for your 5-day trip to Madrid in US dollars. Airfare, approximately $500 to $700 round trip. Accommodation, $50 to $80 per night for budget hotels or hostels. Food, $30 to $50 per day. Transportation, $20 to $30 for a weekly metro pass. Attractions, $100 to $150 total for entrance fees. Total estimated cost, $850 to $1,200. Safety tips for travelers. Beware of pickpockets, especially in crowded areas like public transport and tourist attractions. Keep an eye on your belongings. Use a money belt or anti-theft backpack. Stay aware of your surroundings. Avoid poorly lit areas at night and stick to well-traveled streets. Affordable but safe hotels. Here are some budget-friendly yet safe accommodation options. Hostal Art Madrid. Clean, centrally located, and affordable. Hotel Europa. Excellent location with good amenities at a budget price. OK Hostel Madrid. Great for socializing. Located in the lively La Latina area. Best transportation options. Madrid's public transportation system is efficient and affordable. Get a weekly metro pass for unlimited rides on buses and metro. For day trips, use the reliable Renfe train services. Current visa requirements. For US travelers, Spain is part of the Schengen area, allowing visa-free travel for up to 90 days. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 3 months beyond your planned departure date. Always check the latest visa requirements based on your nationality. Airline promotions. Check airlines like Iberia and American Airlines for current promotions. Booking at least 2 to 3 months in advance can save you money. Keep an eye out for flash sales and discount codes. Local guides. Hiring a local guide can enrich your experience. Expect to pay around $50 to $100 for a half-day tour. Services like Guru Walk offer free walking tours where you tip based on your satisfaction. Additional recommendations. For budget travelers, free attractions. Many museums offer free entry during certain hours. Eat like a local. Head to local markets and tapas bars instead of touristy restaurants. City cards. Consider the Madrid City Pass for discounts on attractions and transport. Hope you liked this video. For our budget travel guides to your dream destinations, please visit our channel to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification on new places to explore. Have a safe journey.